Hello, I'm Dr. Lindsay Uzunlar, a pediatrician at MyEndeavor Health. As children grow up, the way parents and caregivers access their health information begins to change. Starting at age 12, some parts of your child's medical record will no longer be automatically visible to you. This is in line with state and federal privacy laws and helps ensure adolescents, including yours, can securely access healthcare services when those protections apply. The most important thing to know is that this does not change your role in your child's health. You can still use MyEndeavor to schedule appointments, communicate with their care team, pay their bills, and remain actively involved in their care. We also know that every family is different. If you and your teen agree for you to have full access to their record, you can easily make that happen. Simply complete a consent form, which is available on endeavorhealth.org. Once you and your child sign it, you can drop it off at any MyEndeavor Health location or submit it via MyEndeavor, email, or even by mail. As a doctor and a parent myself of kids who come to MyEndeavor, I know this can feel like a really big step for families. We're here to help you understand your options and to support you and your child through this transition and every stage of their healthcare.